Hello everyone. Today we will learn draft command which is in home tab. So let's create a sketch first. I'm creating a rectangle with some random dimensions. I will create some pocket into that to show you clearly the draft command. See, I created one body. Let's go to the draft command right now. Here we will see different options. We will go one by one. First option is a face. If you hover on that command, it will give the detailed description also. Draft related to the stationary face or parting face or both. So you have to give the direction, in which direction you have to draw. So this vertical is my direction. Here in the Z direction you can see this one is the direction selected. Then the stationary face. This is my stationary face which is not going to change. Then select the faces of draft. See, inside I have to apply the draft, and the outside also I will apply the draft. So inside and outside faces I am selecting. And here you can provide the angle and you can see the difference. Generally, draft command is used for plastic products and casting parts. For the casting parts, molten metal is poured into that casting cavity. There is a two upper and lower boxes are joined, and that molten metal forms into solid part. So to remove that part from that cavity, the draft is necessary. For the plastic parts, also the same technology is used. So for that purpose, we have to use the draft command. So as per application, we provide the draft angle how much we want. So here in the face command we use 5 degree and I am hitting OK. As you can see, each and every face is right now tapered in shape. So the removal of this object is becomes easy, and it also depends on the surface structure of the texture also. That draft is depend. Right now we will see other option. Here we will select edge. You have to give the vector. This is vertical vector. I want to draw from it. Then the edges. These are my edges. So as soon as I am selecting edge, it selects that relative face and it applies the draft. You can change it as per application. Then we will go to the next option. This tangent to face, for this is used where circular or curve surface is there. Let me create any curve surface first. So I will create sketch on this part. Right now here is a one curve surface is there, so we can use that command, tangent to face. The draw direction is vertical. Then you have to select the face. Hence you can see, as I selected that round face, it selected that related edge to that face and it is applying the draft. It will be tangent to that surface. That's why it's a tangent to face command. In this way, if there is any radius or circular face is there and you want to apply the draft, you can use this command. We will go to the next command, which is parting edge. See, parting lines means for any plastic product or injection molding or any cavity, there is the two parts which comes into contact with each other, and they form a cavity. In that cavity, molten plastic material or molten metal is poured, and then after the solidifying, the final product is made. So whenever the two parts match to each other, they create one line. It's called a parting line. So in the parting edge, you have to select one face or plane. From that, it will let me show you how it will create two parts. We have to give the vector first. This is my vector. Select the stationary plane. This is my plane. And if I select any edge, see, it's become the center point for my draft. So this is the parting edge command. From this way also you can apply draft. This is mostly used to maintain the dimension at that parting edge constant and apply draft angle as per application. I hope you understood. Thanks.